you need not to get 100% marks to pass. You can, if you get 35 marks, that's a pass mark. You got it. So if you got, generally per minute, usually many people say that we get 100 thoughts per minute. But because of this meditation, if you're getting less than 10 thoughts, that means you're getting 90% marks, pass marks. So 90% pass is amazing, more than distinction. You can continue and you can end this class just now. Okay, today and tomorrow we might give a little bit tips. Probably you can attend or not attend. That's okay. That meditation is enough for you. Okay, but some people wanted to take it to the next level. We're not only wanted to settle down here. Some people wanted to master the fears, master the emotions, master the anger, master the sadness. Okay, this mastering the fears, anger, and sadness is called mukti, salvation. Nothing but, according to Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna said, mukti is nothing, salvation is nothing but mastering fears, anger, and sadness. From desire, sadness come. So mastering the sadness. These three things is called mukti, salvation. So to master that one, you wanted to go to the next level, and then to salvation, you become the master and great master, grand master level. You wanted to do something more in the meditation. The next course is advanced course. That's about Gudakesha. Okay, friends. The Gudakesha course is about Gudaka means sleep, Isha means mastery. So taking the meditation to the whole next level, converting all sleep to all meditation. We have only limited time in the morning time, half an hour or 1 hour, but in the night time, we got 6 to 8 hours sleep time. We can convert all sleep time to meditation time in an excellent manner. Meditation means, what is the meditation here? The Gudakesha, what is meditation is going deeper than the deep sleep and staying there. That's a meditation. How to stay there? With awareness, you can stay there. So we teach some technique to sit all night and meditate in a comfortable manner and more healthy manner. If you do that, many people with insomnia and excessive sleep and less sleep, everybody got a balance and complete health and energy. For that one, we created that course to master the mind, not only the surface level. This course is train your mind is about thoughtless state, but that's about Gudakesha, about deep thoughtless state, deeper thoughtless state, and deepest thoughtless state. So this all the mastering that next levels, and to see meditation, with meditation some benefits we get. To maximize benefits 100 times more, 100,000 times more, to get the more and more benefits, to get the body, painless body and health, diseaseless body, complete energetic body, and to work as everything, to make your every day as whole meditative day. Everything, whatever you do, enjoying everything, because you have excessive energies, abundance of energies. Friends, for that one, Gudakesha is about that one, friends. And of course, many people did that. 3,000 people did that in a safe manner. It is not about, friends, imbalance. It's about balance, complete balance. Completely balancing how to take it to the next level. Only a few people in the Himalayas were doing this meditation all night. Only Himalayas in Parama Yogi, some people are doing. But here, this course is about bringing the technology of doing the highest meditation, a normal person to a normal person. Because I practiced from the past 18 years that, and I created some tips and tricks for that, and everyone can do that. And people need that. And especially, some people are having back issues and spondylitis. So for them, it's like a boon. Because many hundreds of people, not one or two, hundreds of people with back problems, they read this meditation and they got good health, got strong backs. Because not only that, everything, many problems, many health issues, we got the many testimonials, and you can check the GMPWisdom website, in the YouTube channel, GMPWisdom. Many experiences are there. Hundreds of people got those experiences. Friends, we'll also listen to some experiences today. And those who are interested to take the meditation to the next level, okay? And the sleep, whatever the sleep we are needed. Meditation, through the meditation, art of mastering the mind, how to go to the deepest sleep in a sitting posture. Okay, that's what our research is about. That's what 3,000 people already succeeded in that, and we welcome you to take the meditation to the next level. Okay, in a safest and balanced and more energetic manner. So for that one, we started the course, and in 2020, and some people, 30 people attended, and next 100 and 400, like that, continuously, because of mouth publicity, the course, and everybody getting joined, and so much, because of so many results. I welcome all of you to join that course. Whatever the meditation benefits we are getting, maximizing the benefits, taking to the highest level, the benefits to the highest level. That's about this course, friends. Okay, if you think you can do it, we are there to support you. We are there to handhold and support you. If you are just ready to open yourself, what happens maximum? If you're not able to do it, you lie down and sleep. That's all. Nothing will happen. If you're not getting confidence, what you will do? You'll drop down from the course. That's all. You lie down. That's all. Nothing else. But if you, every moment, if you're having the trust, and if you are having the confidence that, okay, this master can able to teach us, we are in a safe hands, you can join the course, friends. And this course, initially we taught for free. And at the time when we are teaching for free, people used to come, 10 people used to come. And after one day, 1 people used to come. So I thought, okay, so teaching course also has evolution. So we started teaching for 15,000, and people are completely, they are able to do it 40 days with complete 100% results coming. So again, we got surprised. Okay, first batch 30 people. So 28 people who paid the course fees, they got successful. 2 people, 1 person who did last time course, they did, and I allowed them free, they didn't do. And second person, that person is asking me for 3 years, a lot of problems I'm solving, I'm giving them solution. One-stop solution for all the meditation and life problems is this Gudakesha, taking the meditation to the next level, high energy. So automatically everything gets solved. So I gave him this meditation technique, and he also dropped, because basically 1 day or 2 days they'll just see and what is happening in the night time, it's okay, drop. So that's the reason I created the 15,000 fee structure. The 15,000, after 40 days, without asking anything, I return them the money, deposit amount. That's all. It's not the fees, also deposit amount. That 28 people got success, and next time 100 people got success. 100 people second batch. I too got confidence. Oh, anyways, why took 15,000 rupees? Because we wanted to teach meditation for free. So I thought, okay, 100 people got successful, so let me teach this time for free. So I kept the fees as 0 next time, free course, because we also got confidence. So 116 people joined in the WhatsApp group, and in the evening, 10 people and 15 people are coming, and they're just seeing for 10 minutes and they're going away. The course didn't get successful. This course needs certain commitment and certain sincerity. So next course onwards, we reduced the fees. Instead of 15,000, 5,000 deposit amount, and that too 40 days we refund that amount. And if you have that trust on us, we'll definitely return back you 100% guarantee. If you have that trust on us, you can join that course. This course starting in the month of September only. September 22nd is Telugu language. 27th is English, Kannada, and Tamil language. This course starts, and October 2nd is Hindi language. This course starts, friends. So this is about 5,000 rupees deposit amount, and those who are not able to deposit 5,000, housewives and students, they can do this 2,000 donation. Okay, 2,000 rupees as donation they can do. Otherwise, if they want even 0, I don't have 1 rupee also. We give certain work, voluntary work. If you are doing for voluntary work for a few days, we see the sincerity levels that these people are sincere, committed. For them, we provide them free. So this one, friends, after 40 days, we'll give you the refundable deposit back. If you wanted to donate anything, of course, you can donate at the time. And this is what and how we provide the structure, and many people got benefited, friends. And everybody keep an open mind and try this one, okay? And you can see your life to the whole level different. Yogi Bhavarjuna. That's what Krishna said. Become the yogi. Arjuna was surprised. He said, from the 4 directions, the air also, I can stop probably. If I try, I can stop. But how to stop my mind? I am not able to stop it, he said. That's what Sri Krishna is training. So friends, every master trains. Everybody has their own ways. So this one, I train through the all-night converting night to sleep to meditation. Okay, having the fulfilling the sleep requirements. In sleep, what happens? Energy comes and relaxation comes. Both things you will I'll definitely guarantee you will get these both things, relaxation and energy. Okay, 2 things only will get it in sleep. You will get more energy and more relaxation through meditation. That's what I guarantee you, friends. And of course, that's scientifically also proven. Of course, many of us are having these smart watches where we can see the sleep quality. Those people who are meditating all night, they are getting the highest sleep quality, friends. So better quality than their family members. So they are sitting and their body is relaxed. Heart rate is such a relaxed. Heart and breath rate is such a relaxed than the normal people who are lying down. Because if they lie down, they don't know where they are. The dreams and disturbed sleep, many things might be happening. But we are sitting and always constantly aware, and we are relaxing ourselves with awareness. That's what we teach, friends, here. So that's how we see people see a lot of energies, a lot of difference in their lives.